Imagine your business analyzing 20 million data points in a second, or providing customer supports 24/7 in 50 different languages without hiring any extra employees. Sounds impossible? Fine. I'm Ealius, your go-to AI business automation specialist. I specialize in transforming businesses, removing the heavy lifting and replacing it with AI-powered smart solutions. I lead a team of expert AI engineers who are working 24/7 to make your business run smoother, faster, and smarter. We use tools like TensorFlow, NumPy, Zapier, Custom GPT Agents to build custom solutions that is tailored just for you. If you are looking for cutting business costs, boost efficiency, and scale without limits, we can make that happen. Let's work.